Well, hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to increase your volume of your ringtone in iPhone. So many times it might happen that you are getting a very low volume and you don't know why. It could be because of many reasons. Well, in most of the iPhone you can see a slider key over here, a small little slider key if you can see it. So this you have to press it like this. Can see silent mode on, and if you press it, you pick it up or slide it up, silent mode is off. So this is how you first should check whether your toggle is in the right position or not. The silent mode is off means it is good that it will ring. And the second option is that you should go to this. You simply drag here and you can see that this is the volume button here. So just see whether it is low or high. If it is low, then perhaps this is the reason why you're not able to hear the ringtone properly. So make it maximum as possible. And also there is something called a focus mode. So here you can click on focus mode, and in focus mode you can see that whether you are in any mode of focus, that is do not disturb, personal, work, sleep, etc. So if you are in this kind of mode, then probably you might have set something for which your notification might not be coming. So for example, do not disturb means it will not at all ring your ringtone. So make sure that this modes are not on, or you have not used this mode for your personal convenience. If you have, then switch it off. So this could be the reason. And now let us see the real settings in which you can change the sound settings or the ringtone of your iPhone. And that is, you have to go to the settings. So in settings, you just need to go to sounds and haptics. Simply click on sounds and haptics, and here you can see change with buttons. You can see this is not highlighted. That means by default it is taking half of your sound of your Apple or iPhone sound, and if you press this volume up and down button, you can see it is in maximum. It actually increases the media or all kinds of other volumes instead of your ringtone volume. So once you click here, which is by default switched off, that change with buttons, if I click here and now this mode has been enabled, that is changing with buttons. If I now press button, you can see this is changing with the pressing of my button. So you can press it to maximum mode. So many people don't understand this, that in their sounds and haptic setting, the change with button setting is switched off, for which even if they press these buttons and something comes up that okay, this has gone on to maximum, but in reality it is in half the ringtone volume. Be sure that you switch on or toggle this button on so that your buttons here would work for changing your volume to maximum. So friends, these are some of the way by which you can check your volume or your settings in your iPhone, why your volume is not or your ringtone is not sounding loud, or why your volume is not up, or why your ringtone volume is not up even if you have tried everything in your iPhone. Or why is your volume not up in your iPhone? So try this kind of steps, and I am sure that 90% of time your volume would be definitely go up. So friend, that's it. I hope you found this very useful. Thank you.